Guys, welcome back to Kali J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how to prepare this amazing coconut bites. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Go ahead and tell your friends, tell your family members about Kali J's Kitchen and have them subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, it's KaliKitchen_1, and also on Facebook, it's Kali J's Kitchen. So I went ahead already and combined all of my dry ingredients together. My flour, my baking soda, my baking powder. I also added my mixed spice, my cinnamon powder, my salt, my coconut milk powder to all of this goodness. All right, then I'm gonna go in with my brown sugar. I know some persons don't like to use brown sugar, but if you want to use granulated sugar, or if you choose to mix both of them, you can always go ahead and do so. All right, combine everything together. You always want to ensure that all of your ingredients is nicely combined together and evenly distributed. All right, then I'm gonna go in with some fresh coconut flakes. Now I blend this coconut myself, all right, and I did not throw away the flakes, but you guys can always check your supermarket and you'll get coconut flakes there. But if you are like me and like to, the fresh coconut flakes, you can always go ahead and use my option. All right, and again, make sure that all of these ingredients is nicely combined together before you add anything else to it. All right, once that is nicely combined, you go in and you add your butter, and you're just going to use your hand to just crumble the butter together with the flour and all of the other ingredients. All right, all of these ingredients that I'm using today, you can get it at your local supermarket or grocery store. Remember to be creative, guys. Remember to be you in the kitchen, and most of all, utilize whatever you have at home. All right, for the butter, you guys don't necessarily have to use the one that I'm using. There's different kinds on the market. There's different ones that you probably like, and you can always go ahead and use it. All right, remember, guys, to just take your time and crumble this together. And while I'm doing this, just a note, I went ahead already and just preheat my oven at 250 degrees. 250 degrees work perfect for me. Remember that you are the one that is using your oven. You should know your oven, the type of oven that you have, if it works fast or if it works slow. All right, so once that is nicely crumbled, what you're gonna do, you're gonna go in and add your mixed fruits. Now this mixed fruit comprises of raisin, currants, and prunes. I soaked it in some wine, and that is fruit wine, and I added some Rare Nephew overproof white rum to this and blend it up, and this is what it looks like. All right, so this is normally used for Christmas, but everything I'm baking, I like to put a little bit in it because it makes everything taste better. I also went in, as you can see, and added my vanilla flavoring. Now, guys, they have the mixed spice in the liquid form. You guys can always go ahead and check that out and let me know what you think. For me, I don't really like the liquid one because I realize that it doesn't have that taste like the powdery one, but it's up to you guys what you want to do. All right, make sure you combine everything together, and as you can see, the water that I add to this was actually the water that I added to the container with the fruits, because we didn't want to leave anything behind. We want to get all of that ingredients out, and basically that is it. All right, you just use your whisk to just combine everything together nicely. And again, guys, try to make sure that all of your ingredients is nicely combined. Once it's combined, you get your Pyrex dish or whatever baking dish you have, whatever you use to bake, baking tray, whatever it is, and you just pour it out in there. All right, I'm gonna bake this for roughly about 50 minutes. For me, 50 minutes was perfect, but sometimes, you need to give it a little additional 10 or 5 minutes. You can always go ahead and do so, and make sure you use your spatula to just kind of spread that out a little, the butter out a little. All right, and make sure that it is smooth. All right, and just a note, I also went ahead and spray my Pyrex dish with some palm cooking spray. But remember, if you don't have the palm cooking spray, you can always use a little bit of vegetable oil, or you can use a little bit of butter. All right, and it should be perfect. So you can see I'm using my spatula, sorry, to just spread that out. And then I'm going to push this in the oven. And once it's finished baking, I'm going to come back and show you guys what it looks like. So now, guys, this should take you roughly about 15 minutes to just combine everything together. And once you put it in the oven, you know, that is it. You just wait on it to bake. All right. So this is it. So it's finished baking, but you know, we have to allow it to just cool down before we cut into it, because we don't want to cut it while it's hot and then it break apart. So we're just going to allow this to cool down, and then we're going to come back and cut it up and show you guys the final product. So now that it's cooled down, we're going to cut into it. And basically this is it. You serve it up just as it is. You can always go ahead and serve this up with some cow's milk, or you can just serve it up with some nice coconut water or some juice, whatever you want to serve it up with, and enjoy. So I hope you guys enjoy today's recipe. I hope you guys go ahead and try it out and let me know what you think. Remember, guys, to subscribe to my channel, and remember to turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and listen, see you guys tomorrow for another awesome recipe. We have some amazing recipes coming, and I'm trying to give you guys back-to-back videos until we get to Christmas. So I hope you guys stay tuned, and I hope you guys share and tell a friend to tell another friend about Kali J's Kitchen. Bye guys, and see you all tomorrow. Take care.